My name's Jeanette Huddleston. I'm a community outreach and education coordinator. I was able to learn a great amount of skills, including social media, communication tactics, just ways to better understand my audience. It was really important for me to go back to school to help amplify my career and open doors for leadership opportunities. If you're a working professional and you're wanting to go back to school, Purdue University provides and builds in that flexibility for you. Another thing that I really value about Purdue University is its excellent staff and support system that they have here. Although I live in California, I never felt alone. I felt that I was still part of the community. The staff here are very accessible. They're very encouraging. I really feel here at Purdue, they are genuinely interested in you succeeding as a student. Hi, my name is Jeanette. I took my giant leap with Purdue University Online. Boiler up!